Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to watch live football on YouTube TV. It's actually very easy and simple, as you can see. So first you open the YouTube app, sign in with your Google account that you have used to purchase NFL Sunday Ticket, right? And then, so the live and upcoming games should be available in your area, and that should show on your home. So if we come here to live, okay, live tab here, NFL, you'll see the live games in your area. Right here, all the live games on the NFL channel page, right? And if the game is live, you can select that game. Literally just go ahead and click on that game to start watching. Okay, and as you can see here, the game would be playing and you would be able to watch it live. And if the game is scheduled for later, what you do is just select the game here and click on notify me. Okay, click on the notification to get an alert on your phone or your device when the game is live. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in